So
the first thing we're not going to do is not that. So we got to put the crown race on.
yes, we do. So you want to do that first?
Crown race
Alright.
goes on here. And it has to be hammered in with a special hammer.
That you probably don't have.
I do have it. So we need to put some
So
grease around this.
Grease.
Generous amount of grease, right?
Okay, we need to do that. What one? Small one? Just one. Here.
Yeah, they're both, the small one and the big one are the same, so this is the small one.
Oh. Not better than building your own bike, buddies. Okay, grease. Good. Here. Grease is on. Oh, look at that beautiful bike right there.
Alright, how much grease you got on there?
I think it's good.
Yeah, but you want the grease up here because that thing's got to slide down over that pump. So you really want the grease more up around the top. That's a good start. That gets that lined up. This here has a bevel. See on the inside there?
Yes.
Makes it fit nicely on that.
It's first bike build, so I gotta learn.
Slide hammer.
Yes, put that down, put the fork on the ground, and you hammer it.
You do not put the fork on the ground that way or you'll damage it. Never, 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 never do it that way.
That's not that. Wait, can you show the camera that?
You do it the other way around. Right, and then what I do is just, you don't have to hammer it hard.
And the fork up.
No, I'll show you. Just hold this together like this and just basically drop it a couple inches out of the ground.
Right.
Here, you do it, you do it. Take both ends. Hold it together. Just
So
drop.
do this?
Yeah, just, no, well, yeah, that'll basically work. But you don't have to hit it that hard. You can just like that, right?
Seth hammers it with a sledgehammer.
He doesn't need a hammer. There you go.
That's what I did.
Here, is it all the way on?
Yes. Looks like it's popped in.
It looks like it's in.
We're good.
Yeah, actually, you probably had it the first hit. So then wipe off the extra grease.
I probably did have it. That's it.
Yeah. You can use a sledgehammer. I don't use a sledgehammer because
Well,
I
we
don't
use
see
like
the-
a rubber mallet, so like.
yeah, get that off my floor too. Yeah, everybody does it slightly differently, but you don't want the you never want the dropouts on the ground getting hammered.
Can't have grease on the surly fork. Hunter didn't believe me that I was building my own bike.
What?
Hunter didn't believe me that I was getting my own bike and building it, buddy.
He didn't believe you?
Yeah, he did it. I was mad. I was like, no way. Surly fork. Nice fork. It's gonna be on this bike. Like this. How beautiful.
So that's good. That's probably fine. Okay, so headset is next. I'll see if I can remember the order in which these things go.
Camera.
A little plastic thing here that just goes here to, it's for decorative purposes mostly.
Remember? Camera.
All right,
Yeah, I'm
we're gonna
actually
need to
glad.
we're gonna need to grease this, but the way this goes
Yes. You're supposed to grease it like from the bottom, I heard, like this.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to grease it and then put it
in,
on.
but the order is that this goes here. Right. You are gonna grease it first, and then this all slides in like this.
Yep.
Maybe this plastic thing goes the other way. I don't think so. I always have to hang on. It takes me a minute to remember.
Maybe there's no plastic thing.
The plastic thing up there. But it's not going to fit nicely like I want it to fit. You could leave it out.
Yeah, it's how it no plastic.
Could leave the plastic thing out. Let's see if that works.
Every time I say something like that, it always works.
No, that's fine. I guess. I mean, the plastic The plastic protector, which don't do anything, ideally would go around there, but I don't think it's going to quite.
The protector?
It's to help keep dust out, right? If it fits. If it doesn't fit, we're not going to use it. Let's see, it won't.
Yeah.
It won't fit. It gets in the way of the bearing. All right, so we can't use that. Okay. So, yeah, so might as well do both sides of this at once. Generous, huge amount. Use the bigger one. Just fill this with grease. A big honking bead of grease, like pencil size, all the way around it. Generous amount.
Oh, pencil in my pocket. Hey. Can't zoom it in or out with that model. I'm not even doing it right. It's just because this is so big. Hey, this is like frozen.
You might have to squeeze hard.
Ah, it's hard too. Oh. Oh my god.
It's kind of an experiment with using that plunger thing, so maybe I should, maybe it's not my best ever experiment. Yeah, that's perfect. Just go all the way around with it. We'll send Hunter a photo.
Hunter?
Yeah.
McLaughlin?
You said he's the one who didn't believe it?
Hudson.
Hudson. They're all the same. H.
They're not the same age.
H, the letter H. That's confusing. I get. Yeah, Hunter Hudson. Never said Hudson. Who? That. There.
But you want to film this?
No, it's fine.
Whatever. Yes.
You can send Hudson's photo. With your face blocked, because you can't. Actually, I maybe shouldn't have greased it up. We should have maybe measured for cutting first, but now that I think about it. Now that I think about it, maybe we should have done it without grease to get the measurements right and then grease it last. But it doesn't really matter. We just have to be careful we don't make too big of a mess. What? Was I going?
Okay, I think she's greased. Okay.
Alright, so.
I'll focus. So, this part one build.
The grease will help hold the.
See you in the next part.